This is a short guide on how to generate finger joints in Fusion. The tool is easy to use, free, and will probably save you a lot of time. This video will help you get started with some of the basics. First, we're creating a flat surface with some 90-degree planes on top of it. It's important that these planes are overlapping. This will be required to create the fingers. When you have finished modeling, you click the finger joint tool and select the two objects that you want to join. Select your line on which the fingers will be created. The only thing left to do is click OK, and your finger joints are created. It's easier to see if your finger joints are correct by enabling Show Edges in the Visual Style menu. Now that we're done, we'll expect our 3D model for overlap. We use the interference tool to see if there are any overlapping parts. The tool will color it red. That was it. You can find the link in the description to the tool. I hope you learned something from it.